Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube makeup tutorial. And in this video, I have tried to create this look. It's a subtle eye look with just using a bit of foundation, and I try to make it glowy and bronzy. So I hope you guys like it. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Nazla Amrin, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've already prepped my face. We are just going to use a little bit of foundation and go for a soft eyes. Yeah, so I'll start with the primer. This is the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. We'll just use a teeny bit of it. So if you are going for a foundation look, it is always good if you can use a primer that can, fill up your pores. So primers basically acts as a shield between your skin and makeup so that the makeup lasts long. So I'm trying to go for a radiant glowy skin look by using a little bit of foundation. So I'm going to mix up this Farsali liquid glass. It's like a radiance serum, the Anastasia Luminous foundation. So I'll just take one pump in my hand and will drop 2 drops of this serum and gently mix the two. So if you don't have any serum, you can go ahead with your strobe cream. If you have any, you can go ahead with your any liquid illuminator or highlighter if you want like a glowy base. So I'll just tap it to my skin and using a beauty blender, just slowly blend it in. So as you can see, it will give you a sheer coverage by also giving a radiant glow. So I'm not going ahead with any concealer, so that's why I took the foundation just below my eyes and around my eyes as well. If you're using a concealer, it's always better not to use the foundation under your eyes and just use a concealer, otherwise it'll look very cakey and it'll crease very soon. So since I'm not using a concealer and almost everything is concealed with the foundation, I'll just go ahead with it. Now to lightly set my face, I'll just grab a fusion powder. This is like a pressed powder, or you can take any compact or setting powder and slowly just press it under the eye so that your foundation doesn't crease with time. Now we'll go for the brows. So I'm using the Benefit Car Brow Gel in the shade number 4. So I like to always lightly fill in the brows and not go too harsh on it. So always use your eyeshadow brush at a distance. Don't hold it too close. It'll be too harsh on the skin and it'll be too difficult to blend as well. So always hold it like this, and whenever you're taking an eyeshadow, tap the excess and go lightly. Next, I'm taking this angular brush and going ahead with the dark brown shadow. So with this black eyeshadow itself, I'm drawing a small wing here, but I'm not connecting it to here, just on the outer eye. Now we'll just go ahead with the mascara. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So our eye look is basically done. So I'll just go ahead with a little bit of highlighter and go on the inner corner. And also here. Now I'm just going to use this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I normally don't use a bronzer, but I recently bought it and really liked how it gives like a very slight sculpted look. So I'm just lightly going ahead with this bronzer. And I'll just lightly go ahead with the sponge itself. Next we'll go ahead with a blush. So this is the e.l.f. Blush palette. So what I like to do is I'll take a blush brush and totally swirl. From the same eyeshadow palette, we'll go ahead with the highlighter. I'll go ahead with the Whirl shade from MAC. And I'll top it up with the Huda Beauty Girl Strip. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you are there on Instagram, then please do follow me on my Instagram handle. There are more of videos and tutorials in there, and I really hope you all like this video. So leave in your comments and feedbacks below. Until next time, bye bye.